welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwa, channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for joining me today. So today, guys, I want to show you how to exfoliate your skin. Remove those trap toxins that can make your pores look bigger. Just a gentle facial scrub, that will just help and take care of the pores. You're not eradicating the whole pores, you're just reducing it. So we're using two ingredients, which is cornstarch and egg whites, and of course your brush and your bowl that you're going to be using. I also have the essential oil I'm going to be using to moisturize my face after the mask. So this is how to do this. You take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, put it in your bowl, you crack the egg and separate the yolk from the egg white, because you're using just you're using just the egg white and not the yolk. So you're gonna go ahead and mix them together, let it come to a consistency of a paste, not liquidy, but a paste, because you want it to stay on your skin. What I do is I wash my face first, dry it out, and then I apply this. Here I was trying to use this hand blender, which was a whole mess because it was just making a mess all over my table. So I decided to let go of it and just go ahead and use my spoon. That was like way easier for me to do. By scrubbing your face, you will clean all the dirt and contamination that your skin surface, has acquired. You will just sweep it away. And then also along with the dead cells that might have built up, either through one thing or the other, makeup or anything. So, just do this home remedies to help you like 2 to 3 times a week should be good enough. You see how I'm mixing it rigorously. Ooh, tongue twister. Trying to get the consistency that I want. This is a quick way to reduce inflammation and the appearance of acne also, on your face. If you don't like this, you can also do a clay mask. That's a video of another day. It helps with acne lesions and all that, So don't use your hand. Go ahead and take a clean makeup brush and begin to apply it on your face, all over your face and your neck. You want to get hold of all those visible areas where you have the pores or where the pores has gone bigger. Especially for people that have facial hair, their pores might be bigger. If you happen to have my kind of face that there is really not much hair, I have more hairs like on my leg and my arms more than the face. I mean, you might need to do this like more than 3 times a week. Don't worry about the cornstarch. You just using it just briefly, not like you're using it like every day. After all, in every beauty product, almost all beauty products, we have cornstarch. It's only that those cornstarch are pre-treated before being used. But this time we're using this 100% natural, we're applying it on our face. So, and if you think this is not also going to work for you, you could also try a chemical peel, but I like to stay more natural because these are the things that works for me. They really work for me. All right, so you see that after I apply it, I'm going to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash out my face with cool water and a baby soap. My dermatologist always tells me that anytime I'm washing my face, to use baby soap because it has less chemical, no fragrance. And that's if you're using the one that has no fragrance. And it's, it's safer for the face. Like I use glasses, so I try to be very careful with whatever I put close to my eyes, my eyelids, and all that, okay? So go ahead and rub generously. And please don't store this. If it remains, toss it out. It's not meant to be stored. You cannot save it in the fridge or anything. Just toss it out if you did not finish it. Or probably share it with your loved one, your spouse, not for children, please. And disclaimer, this video is just for informational purposes. It's not a professional advice, please. So if you need more professional advice, contact your dermatologist or your doctor. So over here, 20 minutes has gone by. My face is so firm. It looks as if I have a Botox injection. So I'm going to be using this soap, Aveeno baby soap, to wash my face. Before I use it, I'm going to use cool water. Wash my face with cool water. And then I'm going to dry it off a little bit with my towel. and I'll use the soap and wash my face, and we're good to go. And the final step will just be for me to use I'm using the sweet almond oil. It's a very good essential oil. You could use any essential oil you like, but I like to use this one. It goes well with my face, moisturizes and adds the vitamin E and C to the the skin of my face. I like it. That's just my preference. Okay, so I mean, do this period of Christmas so you have that beautiful, nice, firm face to get ready for your Christmas. I mean, it doesn't cost a thing. Cornstarch is so cheap. Egg is cheap. I mean, you don't have to go out of your way to buy expensive products. You see that? It feels good. It feels soft. It feels firm. Try it out. Come back and thank me. So, finally, right here, this is the sweet almond oil. I'm just going to take a little bit of it, rub together in my palms, and just go ahead and rub it in my face. I like to go circular motion, you know, to avoid dragging my skin down. So they say. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me. It's been amazing. Give this a try. Like I said, if you like it, let me know. If it doesn't work for you, there are other remedies you can also try. Okay? But I promise you would like it. If you're not too sensitive, you will like it. So I'll see you on my next DIY. It's been a while, but I thank you so much for joining me. Bye for now. Like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.